golden crisp and shaped like little torpedo of joy. This is Kibbeh, Syria's pride. A perfect bite of bulgur, spice, and soul. Let's dive into the story behind the dish that traveled the world but never lost its roots. To understand Kibbeh, we go way back to ancient Mesopotamia. Around 3000 years ago, what is now northern Syria and Iraq, where wheat was abundant, so was lamb. And from those simple ingredients, a genius dish was born. A clever, humble way to stretch local ingredients. Bulgur wheat soaked until soft, mixed with spiced minced lamb, and stuffed with a savory filling before being shaped and cooked. The Ottoman broth, warm fragrant spices, allspice, cinnamon, sumac. From the Levant came fresh herbs, pine nuts, and creamy yogurt to serve on the side. Across Armenia, Syria, and Lebanon, kibbeh took new forms. Raw, baked, fried, even simmered in broth. But at its heart, it stayed the same. A dish of heritage shaped by hand, passed down through generations. Now that you have met kibbeh, let's make it. Coming up next, making of kibbeh step-by-step tutorial. You're gonna love this one.